just got to make sure you fill these with water, no matter what anybody tells you.
Push it up gas before you start.
Yeah, make sure. Bing! So that's done. So that'll be our shade, and then that would just use as a food bowl.
Just cut down one of those
Into that?
into that, and then we're gonna leave it up. This sits inside our pipe. We tested it on and it threads into it nicely. And now we're gonna center it for our bolt that tightens it all together.
And our electricals.
Can you do me the honour?
Ready? That's a piece you just machined on the lathe. That would just clean all this shit up. Bit of the rust, and we should be good. Lock that in. Go from there.
Yep.
We had a bit of an incident, and I dropped this on Jeff's foot, and
Yeah, I'm gonna need a moon boot.
oh shit! Sorry, man. Lucky I didn't drop it on my foot.
Because you're wearing your safety boots, you're fine.
Fucking shit! Sorry, man.
Our other pieces to our lamp consist of a base, which we're going to drill a hole through the centre. This is our switch. It's going to go on the side. Nice old school one. This ring is going to go on top here with that. And then we're going to have our piece of wood sitting on top of that with our tap, and then up top here we'll have our lampshade.
We got this is pretty much the stand, and this will be the actual rods. That's one of the 3 rods that'll be welded in position to hold the shade.
Need glasses.
And take 2.
Ready?
Yep, ready, mate. I'm blind. I looked into the light. I couldn't help it. I'm just sorting out the last one.
Walking pretty straight so far.
Yeah, all pretty good, mate. Except for that one that just nearly...
Just making little pipe pieces to go in here in our lamp. That's how it's going to sit once upside down, obviously.
You know, these are those special ones that you can just go like that. 1, 2, 3. Done. And there are the others.
And now the others.
So we just put it together. Got some wires in there. Going to get an electrician to have a look at the wiring, just for safety.
We're just running it through, and
we're just running it through, and then he can sort it out. He can white tag it for us and all that sort of stuff. But always get professionals to look over your wiring and do your wiring. So we've put the one that we put the step in. The first one we did. Now this is the second one with the step. So that's going in. It's got the wires, and it also has the hole for the threaded bolt.
Yeah, and then the light switch is over, the light top is over there.
Light top, yeah, I'll get that. It's all good. There you go, mate.
Go on there.
Yes, you got had an idea. Ouch. Ouch. Okay. Get rid of this shit.
Nice. Yep.
Let's see.
Turn the lights off, eh?
So I'll turn off the room lights.
Nice. Very industrial.
Yeah, I'll spray that bit black.
Yeah.
The switches, that looks pretty good. I'll leave this. This looks good. Silver. I'll put some oil on the wood. I'll oil the wood up and hit it with some clear.
I like it. It's good.
This thing, we always wanted to do something with that.
Yeah, looks nice, all cleaned up.
Yeah.